time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you. Every time I try to call, something keeps pulling me back. Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you. Yeah, I know what this is.
Hey yo, so welcome back to my channel. And I just woke up. Well, me and baby woke up maybe like 30 minutes ago. It's 7:58. So we probably woke up like around what, 7:20 something. And right now I have to get him ready. Our morning routine for him is that I wake up, change his diaper. Once I change his diaper, I put him on his clothes for the day. Well, I get a rag and wipe him down, then put on his clothes for the day. We go in the bathroom. I use his toothbrush, and then also I recently just got this conditioner, like detangler. So I'll put a little bit of water on his hair and then use that some mornings. So just started using that. So right now I'm about to get myself together. Told y'all it's all about lifestyle, new journey. So now I'm about to do my little workout, get myself together. I haven't brushed my teeth. I just put on some clothes. For toothpaste, I use the No BS. Yeah, this stuff good. And I just crack one of those bad boys in. And I'll be right back. Just did my routine, put on my stuff or whatever. If y'all got some like face care recommendations, please send them my way, because I used to be a face care girly, but now it's like my life is so all over the place. So yeah, I gotta pour some self-care into myself. So yeah, now I'm about to show y'all how it's not gonna be like a real in-depth like, you know, day, because I didn't show y'all me getting baby ready. But I'm about to show y'all me making breakfast. So what I do is I've been taking these immunity little shots. They see me rolling, they hating, was trolling, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty.
I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me you are a star, so still. Even though I thought you 3 years out of road. Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chill, no more.
Some of y'all just love, some of y'all just talk, and them y'all ain't really mind. Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. I know, let me roll up these windows, y'all. 1 second. Okay, y'all, so basically I'm in the car. Last time y'all see me, I was giving baby boy some food. I told myself I needed to check in before this moment, but I just had really like sporadic, like very spontaneous plans. So one of my cousins, she's having a Freaknik like cookout, but because I forgot, because I wasn't supposed to be home during this time of this party, but because I found out and she called me, I was like, you know, I have to show up for her because she constantly shows up for me, so I want to be just as supportive. So yeah, that's where I'm about to go now. Yeah, so I'm on the way there, and I was just having me a little concert because, you know, I'm child free right now, so I have to take full advantage of it. And yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. But yeah, y'all, peace. Okay, y'all, so I just made it. I had to call my cousin because when I pulled in, it was like kids on one side of the park, and then I saw some people under like certain gazebos or whatever. So I wasn't sure, but she's not here yet, but my other cousins are here. So I'm about to get out of the car and go down there because, yeah. But I'm also I'm like, dang, because it's kind of getting cold, and I wore something short. I have some shorts on, and then I just feel like what I have on is like super short, and that's not the occasion. It is the occasion because it's like Freaknik like type of like theme, which I'm definitely not in that because I couldn't find anything to wear this morning. But I'm in something casual, cute, but it's getting cold as hell. So yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just have to. I'm just yapping at this point, but y'all know like when the sun is out, but it's still kind of cool when the wind is blowing. So you want to sit under like in the sun. Yeah, I was hoping we were sitting in some sun, but it's all good. But yeah, once I get down there, I'm gonna show y'all everything, everybody. I'll be able to get a chance to see some of my cousins. So yeah, peace. Oh yeah, and I just dropped my baby off. Let me tell y'all one thing that's super underrated. I am super grateful for my parents. Hence, that's the reason why I love being in America opposed to Jamaica when it comes to just like support. I trust my parents so much to be able to just leave my baby with them, and I know that they love him just as much as I love him, and you know, just love them as much as they love me, and it's just a beautiful thing to see. So I am so thankful for trust that I have within my parents to be able to mind my child and be there for my child when I'm not there. And that's something that's, you know, people don't necessarily have. So I'm thankful that I have that, and I am thankful to God for that because that's something that is not often the case. So yeah, so yeah, bye. I'm cold, so I think I need to take a shot. Cause it's cold. Okay. You know, it's cold.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need
I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready for my birthday to be over with. I was gonna cry at the house the whole time. It is. Shit. You did a little too much. Oh, you been tired.
That was a little strong.
Hello.
Oh, your birthday is in October. Same. 21st?
11.
The 11th. Okay, well I went all the way to the end. I knew it was October though.
Yep, my mama.
I can remember months, just not the dates.
It don't matter. The 20.
I'm 20.
Really? Yeah, that's my mama.
Libras.
We got the vibes.
Don't do me.
She the only. All this was Libras growing up. She the only Cancer now.
Really?
Sick of shit.
Me, my mom, my brother, all Libras.
I'm so tired of y'all.
They have no choice.
Cancer. Oh, Cancer with Libras in the
I had to go get dressed.
But
it wasn't always bad.
I know you like, damn.
Sometimes it got bad.
I feel like my Cancer friends, I have to babysit them.
Really? It's like, dang.
When she get like that,
I don't be mad. I ain't tripping.
Yeah, but that's like, look.
sometimes I babysit her, sometimes she got babysit me.
It's okay. Balance it out. You know.
Yeah.
Balance it out, yeah. I love Libras though.
I don't.
Y'all got good energy.
They don't know how to lie for a damn.
You crazy.
Show them how to lie. I can't lie. Ain't gonna be lying. Fuck it.
But we lie when it's
Protect
stupid.
people.
Yes, we lie
Like I
about
said, if
shit.
it got something to do with mess, I will not tell you one motherfucker said.
So hurry up and come out.
It's okay.
We lie about the
You
stupid
can
shit.
vent,
We lie
I
about
just-
shit we don't gotta lie about.
No, I don't want my finger or get into no bullshit.
No,
She
like
chill that shit.
stuff you don't gotta lie about.
I don't know. No, she did not say that.
Not
she
no
did
rap.
not. She said she didn't like you.
another banger. Make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a deep, bomb, 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 your body, kakara, make a bomb, 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 on a magazine. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it ready, yeah, imade, the bad see.
I'm not gonna lie.
Why now, my lady, everything they are body, I'm a damn easy, baby. Why you wanna give me control? Even want to get out, I'ma make up my eye. I'ma need that gun,
Day was lit. Now we about to leave. Oh, wait, hold up. Oh. See how bright it is?
That shit bright as hell.
Fuck.
Goddamn, I'm already white.
Look, y'all. God damn it. All right, bye.